I would like to clarify something that people don't seem to understand with Builderall. What exactly happened? Builderall has been sold to new owners. It's like if you sell your car, the person who buys your car can do what they want with your car. They can destroy it, they can take care of it or not. They can do what they want. You have nothing to say about it. So what people don't understand here in Builderall users, they still rely on, oh, Eric said this, Eric said that, but Eric is no more. So it's like if the Builderall users are sheep and a farmer fed them for years, and now he has sold them to the butcher house. Okay, he sold them. The butcher will butcher them, will kill them. And the sheep will say, oh, but our farmer was so nice to us, and this new owner said that he will take care of us, and now he's doing this. Yeah, but that's nothing personal, that's business. I'm not saying the new owners are butchers. I'm saying they can do what they want, what they feel is good for them now. So even for the new owners, it's like Eric before. Whenever he says something, if you believe it, then it's on you. It's your problem. When someone makes a promise, say something, and you believe it, you are bound to this because you believe it. So if it doesn't happen or something else happen, you say, oh, but you say that, and they will say, yeah, I said that, but that's life. And you will say, oh, but what? If you want to do what you want, do your own company, and then you will be the owner, the master. You can do what you want. But if you are using someone else's property, then they can say what they want, they can do what they want, and if you're not happy, you can leave. That's it. That's your only choice. You leave, or you stay and you bear whatever happens. So that's what they don't understand. They are complaining, and you know what happens on this group? It's the Builderall Ambassadors group, a special plan in Builderall, but it was before with the previous owner. Now the new owner, they see this, they say, oh, come on, this won't last long. Whatever they can say, if I was the new owner, this group will go, and if you're not happy, so what? You are not the owner. So they still hang on the promise that were from the previous owner, the farmer. Now we are with the butcher. The butcher has other way to look at sheep. It's not the same, It's not to feed them, to grow them, and then resell them. No, he's here to make money with the meat. That's different way of looking at things, and it's very correct. Everything is correct. But for the sheep, they say, oh, we have been fooled. Yes, but because you believed. First, never believe someone, whatever they say. See what actions they do, but not what they say. And if you do believe, then it's on you. It's like when your parents told you about Santa Claus. It told you it exists, and then you realize it doesn't exist. But you had an excuse at the time. It's because as a child, you really believe in your adults, in parents. You have to trust them. And then you are fooled. For what reason? Santa Claus, what is the reason? Just because everybody else is doing it, so they lie to you? It's for the magic of Christmas, so they lie to you. And what about the disappointment of Christmas? When the children, they realize, oh, I've been lied to. For what? A good reason? No. Just because it's like this. That's the first disappointment in life. If you were submitting to this, or God, or other things. And here you believe someone who said something, and many promises haven't been kept by Eric at the time before. Like the crypto, like the card, and whatever else. But you had some action, some things really happened. And then he sold it. By surprise, sold it. Okay, so now there are new owners who will tell you about things, plans, and things. Don't believe it. Just wait and see. Now we see the first action they are doing is not a good one for affiliates. Of course, for them, they don't feel good about it. But that's just only the first one. Let's see the others. And if you're not happy with it, just leave. That's your only choice, only freedom you have is to leave. If you complain, here, what will happen? In this group, they will be deleted. The message will be deleted. The group itself can be deleted because it's ambassadors, whatever it was before. But on the affiliate group, there was some threads, some discussion, the same. People complaining, saying, oh, it's a bad move for Builderall. This post has been deleted. Censorship. But why? Because the Americans, they like, oh, we have a country of freedom of speech. Yes, freedom of speech. But they are so happy that it's only for the government. They don't want freedom of speech in their company, in private settings. No, they say, well, freedom of speech for the government. But on their property, they like censorship, if it's not positive. So they did it, they deleted the post on affiliate, so no more. And on this group, it's here since 1 hour, it will be gone too. And maybe the whole group will be gone. We will have to see what happens. Don't believe whatever they say. Just look at the action and decide for yourself if you want to stay or not. Doesn't matter. Now for the rules, as I said, in the affiliate group, I said I took the sarcasm route. I said, oh, I have a suggestion. Because for 3 months, if there's no direct sale, you reduce by 50%, and that's it. That's your only rule, new rule. But what about after 6 months, if there's still no direct sale, reduce by 75%? And then if 9 months, no direct sale, just don't pay the commissions, and that way you will have more money, because that's the goal of this, is to get more money for the company. So they put this rule so that they don't have to pay the full commissions to some people who don't direct sell anymore for 3 months. But just go and do what I suggest. But the whole discussion has been deleted. So now I don't do sarcasm anymore. I don't care. If you ask me if I'm happy, of course not. It's not a good things to do. But they don't ask me. Nobody asks me. So my opinion has nothing to do with the story. Builderall is not mine. I didn't choose the new owner. I don't choose what they do, and they know better. They know what they want, and they do what they want, and that's good. Because me, if I was a new owner, I wouldn't like someone to tell me what to do or not to do. This is my money. This is my company now. Now, if you're not happy, you go. I don't care, because there are always new users. There will be users of Builderall when they will have improved it, because at the moment it's impossible to sell. But when they will have improved it, and this is their benefit, this is their interest to improve it and make it saleable. So when they will have improved it, there will be new users coming, and they won't have this idea of, oh, Eric said that in the past, or it was like that. No, they will enter with these rules and this interface, this product, and they will just, this will be the reality for those new people. There are always new people. So the new owners don't care so much. They say they care, but in fact, they don't care. They see the future, not the past of Builderall. And they all say things about the community and things, but this is all say. If you believe it, then it's on you. You bound yourself to what they say, not them. They can say something and say something else after, just like everybody is doing. So don't believe it, and you can complain all you want, but honestly, if you really want to complain, just leave. Leave. There are other software. Leave. Or if you stay, then don't complain. Whatever. If I was to complain every day, I will have something to say. Since I joined Builderall, every day there are many things to complain about. So I don't complain anymore. It's just the way it is. So you accept it because you don't have control over it. What's the point of complaining? Do you think they will change the things? Yeah, if they change it to make it worse, of course. And maybe it's already planned, but later. But they are not at the same way of thinking as those who complain. Because, of course, this announcement, being the first announcement, is totally crazy. If you are one who say, oh, we need to take care of the affiliate, the community, don't make them unhappy, you don't do that. So if they do this, it means, we are not on the same level of thinking, in the balance of things. So we will see, but I don't think they will keep the ambassadors. It will be a new change, and it will be gone. And what do you want to do? Complain? Yes, you will complain. And so what? Nothing will happen. So just leave, or just stay, but no need to complain. Be positive. Just say, oh, that's a great news, wonderful, like I did in the video. I was doing sarcasm, but because whatever I say doesn't matter. What you say also, it's all lies. Since you were born, it's all about lies. You say good things, so be positive. Say, wow, what a good way to make people sell more Builderall and make the company grow, and wonderful. That's it. Don't say other things, doesn't matter. And if you want to say something, just say positive things or say nothing. That's the only things to do, really. Bye bye.